Hello everybody, this is King Tut here, and welcome to your fourth C++ tutorial. In the last tutorial, we learned what data is, we learned its use, how we implement and store data into variables, and how we actually output variables to the screen. So, what if we actually want a program that allows us to put in our age, or our favorite color, or our favorite number, or our names? Well, good news here. We have what it's called cin. It's a keyword from C++ that allows the user to put in whatever data they want to put in. So you put in cin, do right carets, and whatever variable you want to use. So keep in mind, each variables have different data types. It depends on what data types that you declare that variable to be. So if you put int into cin, it's going to come out a whole integer number. If you put double or float, they'll come out as decimals. If you put in char, it'll come out as you expect the users to put in characters. If you put in string, you expect the user you expect the user to put in just one word. Unfortunately, when you output this from cin, from the input you put in, just gonna only output one word. And I'm gonna show you how to actually put all of this from the input in the later tutorial. So let's just say we want to put in our age. So let's put in X because our age is whole number and we already declared X to be an integer. We don't have to worry about the assignments. We just delete that. And we're going to output this to the console. I can actually show you how that actually works. So what we did here, we put in an integer into cin, and what it does, if we were to put in our age, it's going to store it into here, and it's going to output the number that we actually put in. I'll show you what I mean. So let's save, let's compile, and let's run this. So you see here, there's nothing here on the console. So how do we know it's prompting us? Well, the program, this stops the program from running any further until we actually put in our values. So let's put in our age. Just say, gonna make it up right there. I put in 100. Yeah, I'm not actually 100 years old. I'm in my 20s, and it outputs 100. If you wanted to put another value as an input, you run it again. You put in whatever age. I forgot to mention you have to press enter so that the input could so that the program can take your input and output to the screen, the console actually. So you press enter and it outputs the value you put in. That's not practical because the users will have no idea what you want them to put in. So just put in enter your age. We don't want to end line because we're gonna put our input on the same line. Then if you want to put more than one output to the screen in one line, you just put 2 left carets. And then you put in you are old. Alright. Now let's just put an exclamation point because why not? And let's save this. Let's build it. Let's run it. So it's prompting us to enter our age. So 20 years old, my prime. And then you press enter and it tells me you are 23 old. You get the gist of it. You get the gist of it. Let's just run it again. So that way I don't make this stupid mistake again. So 23 in your age, you press enter and it tells me you're 23 years old instead of you are 23 old. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.